Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Right, in this video we're going to look at construction number 10, again from SQLnet. So it's the triangle given the lengths of 3 sides, or SSS if you're familiar with the terminology used for congruent triangles. So they're going to give us 3 slides. I'm going to use the sheet here that SQLnet recommends to do the actual construction. But just to show you, I suppose, how it comes up in an exam. This is one example from the sample paper. It just talks about an equilateral triangle with sides 10 centimetres, asks you a couple of questions, and then asks you to construct the triangle. So for this particular exam question, which I will do when we've all the constructions done, you would use your ruler and to measure the length of the 10 centimetres. Okay, so the one I'm going to do today is slightly different in that the lengths of our lines are here. Okay, so how I'm going to do that, I have my compass beside me. So I'm going to measure, the top one looks like the longest line, so I'm going to put that one at the bottom. So using my compass, I'm going to measure the length of that line. Okay, like that. And then I am going to draw the line down the bottom. Okay, so using my ruler, I'm going to draw it from where I stuck the needle in here over to the line. Okay, so that's the base of my triangle, which looks like about 6.5 centimetres. Okay, and I'm going to label him A and him B. Okay, and I'm going to make the point at the top C. Okay, so what's really useful when you're constructing triangles, when you don't have a diagram, is to construct just a rough one here, A, B and C. So I'm going to use number 1 as my base. I'm going to use number 2 to be this side AC and 3 to be this side here. Okay, and if it was an exam question where they gave me measurements of sides instead of lengths of lines, I would probably put the lengths of the measurements in here. Okay, so that's my AB. Next, I'm going to do AC, or what I'm calling AC, which is the length of this line here. And stick my needle into that point and just measure it from point to point. So when you put your needle then in A and you draw this arc, what it means is the distance from A to anywhere along here is the length of this line. Okay, and I draw an arc because I need whatever length the line at B is to intersect with this line so I can form a triangle at the top. Okay, so next I'm going to do line 3. And you notice I don't put in C yet because C is the point where both of these lines intersect. Okay, so that's the length of that one. So stick my needle in B this time and draw in that arc. Okay, so this point here is that point C of my triangle. So let's join it up like that. Let's join it up to B like that. Okay, so that is a triangle given 3 line segments.